Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. So today we'll be learning pronoun. Pronoun. Pronoun in Igbo is called nochi aha. Nochi aha. Alright? Nochi aha simply means a name replacement. We use nochi aha in place of a person, a thing, or a place. Let's see its categories. Categorized into three parts: first person singular and plural, second person singular and plural, and third person singular and plural. In this video, we'll be seeing how it's used and we'll be making some examples. All right, so let's go into it. First person singular in Igbo is used as m or mo. M or mo, which is equivalent to English I. All right. Then the second person singular is called as I or gi. I or gi, which is also equivalent to English you. Then the third person singular pronoun is called as o or o, or o, which is equivalent to the English usage of he, she, and it. All right. Then, first person plural pronoun in Igbo is called anyị, anyị, which is equivalent to English we. All right. Anyị, anyị. Then, the second person plural pronoun is referred to as unu, unu, which is equivalent to English you. The plural pronoun second person you addresses more than one person. Unu, unu, that is you. All right. Then the third person plural pronoun in Igbo is called ha, 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 which is equivalent to English they. All right. Ha, ha. Then let's see few examples on how to use a singular pronoun. All right. Okay. Abum onye nkuzi. Abum onye nkuzi. The there is I. That is, I am a teacher. Abum onye nkuzi. Then the second one, I bụ nwa akwụkwọ. I, that is you. I bụ nwa akwụkwọ. That is, you are a student. All right. I is equivalent to English you. I bụ, that is, you are. All right. Okay. Then the third one is ọ. Ọ bụ onye nta akụkọ. All means he, she, and it. It is used to refer to a female, a male, and an object, or even a place. All right? Ọ bụ onye nta akụkọ. He is a journalist. Ọ bụ, that means he is. All right? Ọ bụ, he is. Okay. Then let's see the next example on how to use a plural pronoun. Okay. The first one is anyị bụ ụmụ akwụkwọ. Anyị in English is we. Anyị. Anyị. Anyị bụ ụmụ akwụkwọ. That is, we are students. Okay? Then the second example is unu. Unu. Unu bụ ndị nkuzi. That is, you are teachers in English. You, in this case here, is used for more than one person. You are referring to more than one person. Unu bụ ndị nkuzi. All right? Then the next example is ha. Ha. Ha bụ ndị nta akụkọ. Ha in English is they. Ha bụ ndị nta akụkọ. Ha bụ, that is, they are. All right? Ha bụ ndị nta akụkọ. They are journalists. Okay? So with that, we've come to the end of this very lesson. All right? Remember to always practice. Practice with native Igbo speakers. Also practice by yourself. Okay? Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Que mesiano.